In this video, you will learn how to transfer eFootball mobile account to your PC, link your mobile account to Konami ID. On your mobile device, open eFootball, go to Extras, Support and Link Data, then sign in or create a Konami ID. Verify the link. After linking, confirm your eFootball mobile account is successfully connected to your Konami ID in the settings. Install eFootball on your PC. Download and install eFootball from the official website, Steam or Microsoft Store, depending on the platform you prefer. Launch eFootball on your PC. Open the game on your PC and proceed to the login screen, where you'll be prompted to start or even link an account. Sign in with your same Konami ID. Enter the same Konami ID credentials you've used on your linked mobile account. This syncs your data automatically between both profiles. Confirm account transfer. Once you're signed in, your game progress, players, coins and all will play on your PC account. Allow your using to play seamlessly where you've left off on mobile. Now you know how to transfer your eFootball mobile account to your PC. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.